And the topic, as I said, is Digitize Your Institute with AI-Powered Student Information Systems. And I'm very pleased to be here. I'll start, and I'm going to take a very practical view. My perspective is going to be to share how certain things are getting implemented. I know Sir and Ma'am have very clearly elucidated some concepts. I'm going to be more on the implementation side of things. So Nelson Mandela had said education is the most powerful weapon that we can use to change the world. And I believe an AI-powered SIS is part of the technology, and we believe technology is the most powerful weapon that we can use to change the world of education. And there's a third level now which has emerged over the last couple of years. AI is the most powerful weapon that we can use to change the world of technology in education. And I think those are some key themes that have emerged over the last couple of years, especially with the advent of the likes of ChatGPT, etc. So moving on, let's look at some numbers. So the global artificial intelligence market is expected to grow at a staggering CAGR of 37.3% from 2023 to 2030. So the next 6 years look incredibly important for this journey. AI is expected to contribute 15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. Again, that's a staggering statistic. And when I say global economy, education is obviously a very, very important part of it. 44% of organizations are working to embed AI into current applications. This is across corporates and education. Obviously, corporates are taking the lead, education is following it, but education is definitely sitting up and taking notice as well. And according to PwC, AI is expected to improve productivity by 40% by 2035. Now, these are all very interesting and inspiring statistics for all of us to at least start thinking about very seriously. And I'm sure that since the representation is from many higher education institutions, there is a lot of onus on institutions not only imparting some of the latest technology, some of the latest knowledge to students, but also to adopt it within their ecosystem, right? And that's where I definitely believe that educational institutions have an onus as we move forward to incorporate the latest into their way of working so as to paint the picture of the modern world from the time the students get educated. Moving on, what are the applications of AI in education? And as I said, I'm going to cover some very practical aspects. You know, AI is obviously about content generation. There's a lot of generative AI talk. I think Sir spoke about it in his, students using that to write essays, etc. But there is a vertical which is about smart content generation. There's a vertical about administrative productivity increase. There is a vertical around analyzing data using AI to come up with actionable outcomes. There is another vertical which is about virtual assistants being used in the educational institution for various stakeholders. It could be teachers, management, students, etc. and so on. Like, the impact is ever increasing, and there are new use cases being unearthed every day, I would say, as this revolution, as I call it, catches up. So there are some of these use cases like smart content, personalized learning, AI in grading and automation to save up on teachers' time, virtual assistants, online proctoring, and so on. So I'd like to show you some of the things that we are doing with our system as well, just to give it a very practical feel. So by way of introduction, I'm the founder and CEO at Academia by Serosoft. We are a student information system company, and we help universities use student information systems to boost productivity, efficiency, and overall control across the ecosystem. And one thing that we have introduced in our system is called Sera. It's a virtual assistant for students, where it's a voice-based assistant on a student app, where a student will go and say, help me with my assignment status, attendance, requests, fees, timetables, results, and so on. And AI and Sarah will respond. And how that happens, I'll quickly show you that as well. So, these are some of the screens, as you can see. So this is, on the second screen, if you see, the student has said, show me the timetable. So please wait, let me check your timetable. You can check the schedule of your courses, and then you tap on it, and then it will come back with the schedules around that. Show me the assignment, show me my attendance, and so on and so forth. So a very easy application of AI into how you can make your students' life easier. Especially the institutions of 21st century are about being student-centric. That's the customer, that's the consumer, and that's where such tools can really help unlock value. Yeah, this is a quick video.
By Academia ERP, tired of spending endless hours searching for assignments, fee receipts, and other reports? With Sira, you can access all your information with a simple voice command.
Hey Sira, can you show me my assignments?
With Sira and Academia mobile app, students and parents get to know important activities, pending items. This will improve efficiency across your entire institute. Join the future of academic management with Academia ERP, Student Information System, and experience the power of Sira. Contact us today.